The Staff Selection Commission has officially published the 2026 notification, confirming 12,256 Group B and Group C vacancies across Indian government ministries. Securing a position requires total administrative accuracy alongside high test scores. You must navigate a rigid application process where a single documentation error results in immediate disqualification. Before you even open the portal, you need exactly two things on your desk: your 10th grade matriculation certificate and your Auditor card. Executing the application perfectly is your first test. Getting the paperwork right ensures you actually secure your seat in the exam room. Every eligibility requirement for this recruitment drive revolves around one specific date. This timeline shows the absolute cutoff, August 1st, 2026. Your age and bachelor's degree status are permanently locked here. It expands to show age brackets required for different departments, 18 up to 32 years old. The only accepted age proof is your 10th grade certificate. If you are currently in your final year of college, you are still eligible to apply. The condition is that you must physically possess your degree by that August 1st deadline. Once your baseline eligibility is confirmed, you need to map out your specific career track. This chart compares the two main tracks. The left blue columns represent Group B, high-level roles like assistant audit officers, scaling to pay level 8. The right green columns represent Group C, foundational roles like auditors at pay levels 4 and 5. Your strategy begins here. You must cross-reference your exact age with the pay scale of your target post before submitting a single form. The standard application fee is 100 rupees, but the Commission provides full financial exemptions for specific groups. You owe 0 fees if you are a woman, in an SC or ST category, have benchmark disabilities, or are an eligible ex-serviceman. However, making an error on your initial form is expensive. The SSC provides a brief correction window, and it comes with steep penalties. The first correction costs 200 rupees, and a second correction costs 500. These fees apply to everyone, including candidates who were initially exempt from paying. To begin the application, you must go to the newly updated ssc.gov.in portal. It is the only valid platform. Your first required step on the site is generating a one-time registration, or OTR profile. When setting up your OTR, there is an option to use Auditor-based authentication. You want to select this option. This flow diagram shows why. The manual upload path requires highly specific photo and signature dimensions, which causes thousands of applications to be rejected every year. The Auditor path validates your profile automatically, keeping your application safe. With your OTR complete, you will select 3 exam centers. You must select all 3 within the exact same regional zone. Getting your OTR configured correctly and selecting valid regional centers eliminates your administrative risks. Now, the only hurdle left is the exam itself. The Commission filters candidates through a strict 2-tier computer-based examination. This radar chart breaks down Tier 1. You have exactly 1 hour to answer 100 questions distributed across reasoning, general awareness, quantitative aptitude, and English comprehension. The Commission deducts 0.50 marks for every incorrect answer. Guessing blindly will actively destroy your final score. If you clear Tier 1, you advance to Tier 2. Here, Paper 1 is compulsory for every single applicant, regardless of the specific post you want. Paper 1 tests your advanced academics, but it also forces you to pass mandatory qualifying sections in computer knowledge and a strict data entry speed test. Clearing this recruitment drive demands subject mastery, combined with precise time and risk management across 2 distinct phases of testing. Once your application details are finalized, you will process your digital fee payment and instantly reach the final application confirmation screen. The application portal closes at exactly 2300 hours on June 22, 2026. Submit early. Servers frequently crash under heavy traffic on the final day. Once you hit submit, your immediate next step is pulling the official syllabus and taking your very first Tier 1 mock test. A flawless application simply gets you in the front door. Relentless, structured preparation is how you secure one of those 12,256 seats.